Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. Our beautiful green bean tunnel is still producing very heavily, but we don't need it anymore. So it's about to go away. Well, this green bean tunnel has produced a lot. We've frozen green beans. Susan's put up 8 quarts of green beans for us, plus given away about 4 quarts of green beans to the kids. We have 48 pints, I believe, right now. So that's more than enough green beans for the 2 of us for the upcoming year. So we're gonna make good use of this. I'm about to cut the green beans at the base, try and get the green beans off of the trellis, which is gonna be fun. But then we're going to turn around and plant more purple hull peas. The purple hull peas have been doing great down here at the cornfield. Here are more. We've got them all around. Look at there. And so we're going to plant more purple hull peas. We've got plenty of time to get it before the fall. As I said, we have plenty of green beans. We need more purple hull peas, and if you've ever grown peas, it takes a bunch to make a little. We've got some put up already in the freezer, but it's really just basically about a serving for 4. So we need a lot more peas. We've got some growing in grow bags. We've got those on the cornfield. So now let's plant them here. I'm just going to start by cutting the stems down here low. We're going to leave them in the ground. That way they can continue to put nitrogen down in the ground, so that we'll have more nitrogen for what we grow next year. We're going to cut those. I'm going to come up through here and find some places and just cut through some sections, make it a little bit easier to pull off. And I'm willing to bet I get at least another gallon out of this while I'm doing it. Well, after a couple of hours, our arch is completely cleaned off, so we can come back in and we're going to plant purple hull peas around on both sides so we can get more of those going. And we've got a giant pile for the compost. I still got to clean up this mess. I think that'll wait till tomorrow. Well, after a couple of hours, our arch is completely cleaned off, so we can come back in and we're going to plant purple hull peas around on both sides so we can get more of those going. And we've got a giant pile for the compost. I still got to clean up this mess. I think that'll wait till tomorrow. Quick question. Did you take my bet on whether or not I'd get another gallon of green beans? Well, I have to tell you I was wrong. I just have to admit it. But we got 2 gallons of green beans. So that's the final picking. Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. If you found anything helpful, informative, give us a like, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, God bless.